Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to another tutorial of Android development for beginner series, and in this video we will be learn about linear layout. We have learned in the previous video about constraint layout, so this is the beginner level. So I think this is enough about constraint layout because this is a more complex layout. So when you reach at the mid level or an advanced level, you can learn about constraint layout more from internet. So this is enough about constraint layout, and now I am going to show you the two most important layouts in Android Studio. One of them is linear layout and second is relative layout. First of all, I will tell you linear layout, and at the second I will tell you relative layout. Most professionals use these two layouts to develop their applications. Constraint layout is also used, but it is a more complex and it is used for high level development. So first of all, let me open the coding part of your application. I have opened activity underscore main.xml file, and you have to click on this text section. So you can see that this is the coding. We will be learn about coding about our projects. So first of all, I will remove all these text views and buttons. That's it. Yes, you can see that our all button and input fields have been removed. Now you can see that this is Android X.constraint layout.widget.constraint layout. So first of all, you have to remove this and type here linear layout. You can see that it shows me a suggestion, so you have to click on linear layout. Yes, now our constraint layout has been changed to the linear layout. In the linear layout, your layouts are aligned linearly. It means vertically or horizontally. Let me show you. First of all, I will create here a button. To create a button, you have to type lesson signature. You can see that it shows you the suggestions. So I want to create a button, so I will create on the button tag. So you can see that it asks me Android layout underscore width. What is this? First of all, you have to give to wrap content, and a height is also wrap content. So you can see that our button have been created. So this is XML, and in XML you have to give all your properties in this section. I means margin from top, margin from left. Either your button will be center of the activity, right of the activity, or the left of the activity. All the properties are given inside this button tag. So you can see that first of all, you have to close this one. Now error have been also removed. So you can see that first of all, you have to type Android layout width is equal to, in single quotation you have to type wrap content. It means provide our button place which it needs. So we have been give also height wrap content. So first of all, you can see that if we give height to match parent, so our button will match to its parents. That's not looking good, so you have to only give wrap content. Now Android layout height, this is the second property that defines the height of the button, and after this you have to type Android. About 90% of tags, more than 90% of tags using Android keyword before their properties, like Android layout width, Android layout height, and Android layout text. So you can see that Android text, and in this section you have to give the name of the button, that button 1. So you can see that in our output preview section, button 1 have been appeared, and it is on the top and left side of our screen side. Now let me create another button. So you have to copy this and paste this one below this. You can see that the other button is created on the front of our first button. Let me change the name of this button to button 2, and after this you have to again paste this button to button 3. So you can see that horizontally your buttons are aligned, and no matter which which number of buttons you added, all your buttons will be aligned horizontally. So if you want to align vertical these buttons, you have to go to your parent linear layout, and after this you have to give an property Android orientation and to vertical. So you can see that now our buttons are aligned vertically. So this is the simple linear layout. Linear layout is very simple layout in our Android. It is aligns, it views horizontally or vertically. Do you know what is a view? Our button is a view, our edit text is a view, our text view is also a view. All these which we can view in our application, these are all called view in Android. So these are three views called button. So I hope you understand about linear layout a little bit, but now let me show you. So this is the basic of the linear layout, and now first of all I will minimize this, and I think the video is going too long. First of all, we have to run this application and see the output, and in this next video we will also talk about the linear layout. So let's start. your application, click on the run button or type shift plus F10. Your application is Gradle build running, and after all the process completed, you can see the output of your application. So guys, you can see that our application is running, and you can see that 3 buttons are aligned vertically in our application. In the next video, we will also talk about linear layout. So I will tell you some more properties of linear layout, and for next video, I will show you how to create a beautiful login form using linear layout, so you can understand the beauty of linear layout. And if you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section or directly WhatsApp us. The WhatsApp number is given at the end of the video. And finally, thanks for watching.